Howdy! Michael the Mercedes guy here, and we're going to do something a little different, and this is about fire safety. Now, in addition to having large fire extinguishers throughout your house and fire alarms, what's going to happen if you've got to jump out a second-story window? You're going to get hurt. So, what I do is set up a nice soft nylon rope. I've got a really good strong eye right into the rafter, and this is looped and held with just a piece of masking tape, so I can yank on this and it comes undone. That way I can get out, slide down the rope. Now, to facilitate getting up to do that, I use a reinforced milk crate that I have right against the window so I can hop out. If you've got a screen, just give it a push and get it out of the way. That way, you're going to keep from breaking a leg or worse.